welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and here's another packet from China that's just arrived, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we are. It's the KingJoy multi-purpose mount. It's something I've wanted for quite some time, which allows you to mount your camera or GoPro to various things using that clamp down the bottom. This can be used in many places to secure your camera where a tripod is not really being able to be used. So let's get it out the packet and have a closer look to see what the quality is like. Hopefully, if my other KingJoy tripods and camera accessories are any indication, this should be pretty good and should do the job just nicely. Now we've got this out of the packet, and to my surprise, or maybe shouldn't be surprised because I've got a few of their products, this is really good quality. It's full metal construction. This is all metal parts. The clamp is all metal, aluminium or alloy of some sort. The swivel part is all metal. There's the name, KingJoy, PPL-03. It's the part number for this. And it's a one-handed operation. So you can back that off, clamp it onto whatever you want to clamp it to, tighten that up once you get close to where you want to be. And then just to make sure that it's going to be a solid mount, you can tension it up with the adjustment down the bottom there to get it as tight as it will be. And then after that, it's your camera or GoPro can attach to this, and it's single-handed operation. So you just undo that and you adjust it every which way you like. Once you've got it in the position where you want it to be, tighten that up, and that's where it stays, and it locks up solid with very little pressure on the adjustment. So you back that off, you can adjust it any which way you like, and then tighten it up, and you're done. I think this is another great product from KingJoy, and I would highly recommend this so far. I have not used it yet, but I can see its quality. It's metal construction and it will last a long time. I must say I'm quite impressed with this company. Even though it's made in China, it seems to be good quality metal construction. It does the job that it's intended to be doing perfectly. And I'm pretty certain I'll be buying more products from this company for my cameras. If you have any questions in relation to this product, please leave a comment down below. I'll respond to all comments. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.